Hello, welcome back to an update on the Transit. It's been a little while, actually been a long while actually. So what happened was I got it all welded up, undersealed the bottom part of the Transit and took it for its MOT and it passed. And then it kind of went straight to work on towing my drift car around, so I haven't had time to actually finish the bodywork. I guess the drift season is starting to slow down a little bit in terms of practice days, so I've had a bit more time, hence why the Transit's now back in the garage. I've just put a skim of filler around most of the bits and I'm just waiting for that to dry and I'll start sanding. But for now, yep, it's looking okay. I'm kind of looking forward to it all being one uniform colour and not so patchy. But once this is done, I think I'll probably be happy again with the way it looks. Been looking extremely ratty for the last couple of months, being all patchy and what have you. But soon enough, I guess one thing I haven't shown you guys is the undercoating. If I can find my light. So, I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to see. In fact, I'm sure it's not going to be easy at all. But it's all been undercoated, so that should help to keep the rust at bay. I use Dinitrol, which is apparently quite a good product. It's quite easy to spray on. So again, hopefully that reduces the amount of rust before next year's MOT. but we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna let this filler dry and then I'm gonna get sanding. Right, that's it for this video. I'm not going to have time to finish it. I was hoping to get all the sanding and filler work done today, but that's not going to happen. So all I've done is given it a light coat of primer just to stop it rusting. I'll probably be able to get back to this in a couple of weeks time, but for now it's looking okay. You can see here there's still a little bit of a low spot along that edge there, so it needs another skim of filler and that block sanded just to make sure it stays flat. But it's getting there, slowly but surely. That's the one thing I've learnt over the years is to kind of put a little bit of filler on first, sand it a little bit more and then sand it again, rather than do what I always normally do, which is just put loads of filler on it and spend far too long trying to get it flat and end up taking off most of what you've actually put down. So a little bit of time seems to be the way to go. But I'll probably catch you in a couple of weeks on this one. But as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.